In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set up abandoned cart email in Shopify. First, launch your Shopify. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to the option marketing. Under that, you're going to find the option automations. Click on that. Shopify recently moved abandoned checkout recovery here. It's no longer on their checkout settings. Click Create Automation. You will see different workflow templates. Choose Abandoned Checkout Emails, sometimes titled Abandoned Cart Recovery. You can set conditions, for example, send email 1 hour after cart abandonment or delay longer, example 6 hours or 24 hours. Add filters, only send if email is captured. Adjust subject line and email copy, something like you left something behind. Insert dynamic variables like customer's name, cart items, direct checkout link. You can also add a discount code to encourage checkout. When you are satisfied, click Turn on Workflow. Shopify will now automatically send abandoned cart emails when someone leaves without completing checkout. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.